What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe. So we are back with an AMC update. I know we haven't did one in an absolute while. I'm still holding on to my AMC from 3 years ago, whatever it was during all the craze. But I had to do an update on this, start bringing it to the channel, because right now I'm seeing we are on a 41% discount today. When you see AMC down 41%, we need to pay attention. You might want to connect the dots. You know, of course, it could always pull back even more. Crypto is highly volatile. We could be seeing swings of 60 to 80%. But I want to put y'all up on this because there's a lot going on right now with AMC. There's a lot of talk around it. So it could be an easy way to make some quick money, especially for my option players out there. So let's just cover what's going on in the market. We'll start to, bring the channel up to complete, a complete update on everything going on with AMC, and we'll start to cover this. So let's cover the top articles right now. AMC sitting at $10.46, down $7.56, down 41.95% today. So first article we see. Let's just go straight through this. This is the type of information that you need to become a better informed investor. Some people may not be interested. Some people may not understand how it can apply and why, if you're just in crypto, you may not care about this, but stocks are important as well as just, keeping an eye on the overall stock market to know, how it will affect the crypto markets. Now let's get into this. Stocks making the biggest moves midday: AMC, Signify Health, Netflix, and more. So AMC shares of the theater chain dropped nearly 42% as investors weighed the company's new preferred share class and news that rival Cineworld was considering bankruptcy. AMC's new APE units were trading at roughly $7.50 per share, offsetting the large losses for the common stock. Bed Bath & Beyond, GameStop, other meme stock favorites, Bed Bath & Beyond and GameStop also dropped. Bed Bath & Beyond fell more than 16% as investors continued to react to the news investor Ryan Cohen had sold his shares and a report that certain suppliers have halted shipments to the retailer because of unpaid bills. GameStop followed along, declining about 5%. So a lot of people know Ryan Cohen from investing into GameStop, causing a craze over there. A lot of people got word that he was holding Bed Bath & Beyond, but when he put out information that he was holding it the same day, he also sold it. So a lot of people pumped money into it, and he sold, took money, basically dumped. Is he wrong for doing it? That's up to you. But AMC or Bed Bath & Beyond is looking like they may be talking about going bankrupt pretty soon. But Signify Health, shares of home health services provided, jumped 32% after the Wall Street Journal and Bloomberg News reported that Amazon is among the bidders for the company. CVS and United Health are also reportedly making bids. Shares of Amazon dipped by 3%. Netflix, the streaming service, dropped more than 6% following a CFRA downgrade of the stock to sell from hold. The firm also lowered its price target to $238 from $245, slightly lower than Friday's closing. Ford shares sank 5% after a jury ruled against the automaker in a case involving a fatal crash that centered on roof strength in one of its older pickup trucks. The company has been ordered to pay $1.7 billion. Ford also announced Monday morning is cutting about 3,000 jobs in the U.S. and Canada. Tesla, shares of Tesla dropped over 2% after CEO Elon Musk announced that electric car maker would hike the price of its full self-driving option by 25% in September. The cost will jump to $15,000 from $12,000. Occidental Petroleum, the energy stock, retreated more than 3% in the broad market sell-off following a 10% rally in the previous session. Occidental jumped double digits on Friday after the news that Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway received regulatory approval to purchase up to 50% of the oil giant. So Warren Buffett making big moves. DogeCoin shares of electronic signature company tumbled 4.3% following a price target cut and downgrade from RBC to sector perform from outperform, as the company searches for a new CEO. VF Corp shares Van's parent company, VF Corp, sank more than 5% Monday after Cohen downgraded the stock market perform and cut its price target. The firm changed its rating, citing potential consumer weakness if there is a recession in the U.S. or abroad, and rising inventories at the retailer. Travel stocks struggled along with the broader market. Cruise lines stocks such as Carnival, Royal Caribbean Group, and Norwegian Cruise Line holdings were lower by 4.8%, 4.7%, and 4.7% respectively. Airline companies United Airlines fell 3% and Delta Airlines dropped 2.6%. Wynn Resorts was down 4.9%. Tech stock shares of tech companies fell amid fears of more aggressive Federal Reserve rate hikes. Apple, Amazon, and Alphabet dropped 2.3%, 3.6%, and 2.5% respectively, while Salesforce sank more than 3%. Semiconductor stocks also took a hit, with Micron and Advanced Micro Devices down more than 3% each, and Nvidia down 4%. So that's that first article giving us, overall information of the most, talked about stocks right now. So you can see that everything is basically down right now. We're having opportunities in the market. Some people will look at this, afraid if they just jumped in, bought, and they're seeing their investments down. But savvy investors are looking at this like an opportunity. So let's see. AMC's APE starts trading on the NYSE, New York Stock Exchange. So AMC Entertainment Holding down 5.5% at the time of writing. AMC Preferred Equity Units, or APEs, began trading on the NYSE on Monday, opening at $6.95. The stock rose 36% to trade at $9.35 shortly after open. Shares of AMC Entertainment Holdings Inc. plunged prior to the APE debut, falling 37.4% in pre-market trading. AMC stock was down 31.5% shortly after market open on Monday. The company shares closed down 6.8% at 18. So whoever did short, if you shorted or bought put options on AMC, you absolutely made a killing today. Congratulations to those who were able to get some cheap contracts and make a ton of money. So Friday, compared to with the S&P 500 index, is down 2%. A 1.3% decline. With the special dividend, the sentiment chain is taking aim at its massive debt burden. The APE name is a nod to the investors who turned the company into a meme stock, who often refer to themselves as Ape or Ape Nation. The dividend also marks the latest move in a fight over stock issuances. AMC shares, which skyrocketed last year amid the meme stock buying frenzy, have fallen 33.8% in 2022, compared with the S&P 500's index decline of 11% over the same period. However, in the last 3 months, AMC shares have risen 55.6%, outpacing the S&P 500 gain of 8.4%. Of 8 analyst surveys by FactSet, 3 have a hold rating and 5 have a sell rating for AMC. So another article that we got right there, just getting some overall information, becoming well-rounded individuals, understanding what's happening in the landscape of investing stocks in AMC. So see what else we got here. Let's look for something different. So 1 hour ago, why AMC Theater stock plummeted today. AMC Theater stock sunk nearly 42% today, down $7.55 per share. Sounds disastrous, but AMC did this to themselves, and they did it on purpose. On Monday, AMC Preferred Equity Units began trading on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker APE. The acronym doubles as a nod to an inside joke among the Reddit users who brought up AMC stock during the troubled times of the early pandemic, possibly saving the theater chain from going under. On Friday, as a thank you / means of raising funds, AMC issued 1 preferred equity stock unit for each of its 560 million outstanding shares of common stock. So if a person previously owned 2 AMC shares, they now also own 2 APE units. The move gave AMC an alternative to the less palatable option of issuing more shares of its common stock. The company will be able to sell some of the new units to raise funds. Those APE shares will carry the same voting rights as AMC common stock. Began trading at $6.95 per share this morning. They closed at $6 even. This is a major step forward for AMC, in my view, probably the biggest favorable development for our company in all of calendar year 2022. Both looking back and looking ahead, AMC Entertainment CEO Adam Aron said 2 weeks ago when the company revealed its quarterly earnings and its APE plan. We believe that this is truly great news for AMC and not such good news for those prophets of doom who may be rooting against us. Aaron warned investors that the price of AMC common shares will likely drop in response to launch of APE shares. That's exactly what happened. The $1.55 difference in AMC's per share loss versus the close of APE shares can probably be attributed to market fears surrounding the exhibition industry as a whole. On Friday, the same day the APE shares were issued, the Wall Street Journal reported that Cineworld, the owner of Regal Cinemas, said that it's considering filing for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. Regal confirmed the report today. AMC is the largest movie theater chain in America. Regal is number 2. So the two are in this together, sort of. Yesterday, Cineworld, which is the world's second largest movie theater circuit, issued a public statement that it anticipates low levels of admissions until November 2022, which are expected to negatively impact its liquidity position in the near term. Aaron said Thursday in a statement, at AMC, we have publicly disclosed previously the film slate in the third quarter of 2022 is expected to be relatively weak. However, we continue to be quite optimistic about the increasing demand for our portfolio of movie theaters in the fourth quarter and of 2022 calendar year and calendar year 2023. As for AMC's liquidity, AMC ended the second quarter of 2022 with more than $1 billion of liquidity, thanks to significant amounts of cash raised in calendar years 2020 and 2021, he added. Our new AMC preferred equity security should also make us a much stronger company. Accordingly, we remain confident about AMC's future. So that's a AMC update. Just wanted to get everybody, brought up to speed on what's currently going on with AMC. So down 41%. Should you be buying? If you're interested, if you believe the company is here to stay, if you already been buying, if you already been holding, and you're not at your ideal position, then definitely you want to take advantage of this discount we're seeing in the market. That's all we got for this video. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.